Okay, we've got our exhaust manifold mounted. Not cinched down yet, it's still a little loose, but I just wanted to get this on video before we get too far along. We used a 1/2" flare plug from Home Depot. It was $5.75 or something like that. Fit perfectly where the EGR valve used to fit. It's nice that I was able to run up and grab that really quick without having to source it once I realized that the EGR valve wouldn't fit with our nice new Weber carburetor. Actually, it's not new. I purchased this barely used from a fellow MG EXP member. I think I bought it back in November, over the winter anyway. I'm super excited to be installing this. This is one of the 3236 downdraft carburetors, and it even came with the manifold, and it's actually already mounted and everything. And I'm not going to really touch it other than I'll probably just check to make sure that the float is good and the jet's clean and stuff like that. But I'm not going to pull apart the manifold. The gasket's set and it looks pretty good. So we're just going to get this mounted, and then we'll put our cinching bolts on to keep the manifolds tight, and we'll be in good shape. What's nice is this one has already been mounted, so that means that it's been shaved down a little bit on the sides so that it fits the exhaust valve, and for the exhaust manifold. So it's basically plug and play, ready to go. These are all the fasteners that I collected when I was taking the engine apart back in the fall. These are the clamps that keep the manifold on. A couple of small roll pins. Can't quite remember what those are from. This is the intake manifold's EGR valve connection. It's no longer needed. And this was the throttle linkage clamp to hold it to it, but the carburetor comes with its own, so we probably don't need that either. Okay, after a bit of consternation and encouragement, we've got this thing nicely attached. All good, all good. One thing that I kind of have a question about, if I drop down below here, and we tilt the camera up, there are two studs right there, and I, for the life of me, can't remember what those studs are for. I was thinking maybe they're for like a heat shield or something, which they may indeed be, but at the moment I am at a loss as to what those studs are for. And there was nothing attached to these three mounting spots here, I don't think. So, yeah, I don't know. We're getting somewhere anyway, I think. I'll probably have to take it all apart, because that's how this project's been. But anyway.